In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TS3460 printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer. Now take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove the orange seal. Remove the seal and remove this orange seal. Ink chamber is here, so open this door. So press this down. Now press the lock down and take the ink cartridge out. For both ink cartridges. Now take your new ink cartridge. Place black on the black side, and push the lock up. For the color ink cartridge, slide it in, push the lock up. Now close this door. If you go to the screen, you will see the ink system is starting, and now we are ready to use this printer. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.